Oftentimes during severe weather, rain or snow, you'll see radar being used during the weather forecast. But have you ever wondered why radar is used and how it works? Meteorologist Trevor Birchett explains in this week's Weather Wise.
Weather radar is a very important tool for us as meteorologists. It's one of the few ways we can actually see what's happening in nearly real time. Believe it or not, radar was first used for detecting aircraft, especially during World War II. While scanning the skies for enemies, the observers also realized they could see precipitation on the radar. This accident has undoubtedly saved many lives. After that realization, more government funding was poured into developing a radar network for weather detection, and to date, there are 159 radars across the U.S. and its territories. Here locally, we use radars just north of Columbus, Memphis, Jackson, and Birmingham to keep you safe. But have you ever wondered how a radar actually works? Well, the radar is actually situated in what looks like a giant soccer ball on a tower. Inside, a dish spins around, sending out a signal. When the signal hits something like rain, it is bounced back to the radar site and shows up on the display. In the last 10 years, a significant upgrade to the radar network gave us the capability of dual polarization. In layman's terms, this allows the radar to determine the shape of objects in the cloud. This is extremely helpful because we can now tell the difference between a raindrop and a piece of debris, allowing us to determine whether or not a tornado is actually on the ground. Now, of course, radar coverage is limited and the radar beam is still hundreds of feet off the ground. So it's still important to have storm spotters to be able to see what's happening exactly below the cloud. And remember, if you have any questions about the weather, our weather technology, you can let us know. Reach out to us via email address weather@wcbi.com, also on our Facebook and Twitter accounts. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Trevor Birchett.
Weather Wise is brought to you by 4 County Electric Power Association.